Let's dive into the world of chic decontract, where timeless elegance and style are the name of the game.
Hey sassy people! Welcome to another unboxing episode here in SassyToys channel. Today, we are going to unbox Poppy Parker When in Paris mini gift set. Without further ado, let us now open this box. This doll is the third W Club exclusive last 2023 from Poppy Parker collection designed by David Buttrey. This Poppy Parker's dress is a recreation of her lilac dress last 2019, enhanced with delicate embellishments to make the gown even more special. This comes with certificate of authenticity with edition size of 3092. This side of the box you will find the base of the doll stand, and this side you will find the saddle stand. Now, let's take her out of the box. And now she's here! She is absolutely stunning. For those who have just started collecting Poppy Parker dolls, this is a perfect chance to have the vintage looking puppy with gorgeous green eyes, which is a perfect match for her overall look. Now, let's remove the hairnet. Wow! I love the timeless, sophisticated look of this doll. And here's Poppy Parker wearing her black evening gown. This Poppy Parker has the body type of Poppy Parker 1.5 with a skin tone of cream, with a hair color of dark brown mix, and with hand-applied eyelashes. Here are the accessories that comes with this doll. here's the complete look of Poppy Parker when in Paris mini gift set doll.
Les étoiles où nous sourient, et c'est notre amour qui brille plus que le ciel. Sous la lune, c'est toi et moi qui brille déjà. Sous la lune, c'est toi et moi. Je veux juste rester auprès de toi. Tu verras, la vie, c'est toi et moi. La nuit est éclairée, l'amour est notre vérité. Si tu es mon monde, je serai là pour toi. Je serai là pour toi. Tu es le soleil. Si tu restes dans ma vie, je serai là. Je veux juste te dire, toi sous moi avec toi. Tu es dans mon cœur. Je voudrais t'écrire des paroles d'amour. Là où on ira, chaque endroit où l'on vivra, je serai ta voix. Je serai ta voix. Pour moi, je suis ton destin. Je serai la vie, je serai mon nid, je serai cet homme qui m'accomplit. Je serai ta vie, je serai ton nid, je serai la femme qui t'éblouit. On pourra rêver d'une vie, d'une maison et d'un pays, une vie unie. Si tu es mon monde, je serai là pour toi.
For me, she's 100% sassy.
Dans ma vie, je serai là. Je veux juste te dire, toi sous moi avec toi. Tu es dans mon cœur. Je voudrais t'écrire des paroles d'amour. If I never leave your side, I will never be blue.
So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Is she a must-have or a pass? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.